I had a dream the other night.
Morning, Malta. I guess you're like us, feeling isolated, cut off, only allowed out once a day, maybe for exercise like we are here in Britain. Just wanted to let you know that we're thinking of you and hoping that things will get better and return to normal sometime very, very soon. But I think everyone's feeling the same, a little bit frightened, worried about the future, and it's good for us all to try and connect and reach out. I nearly lived in Malta. My family nearly took us there to live when I was just a child, in fact, and just got changed at the last minute. So I could have been Maltese, and I think about you a lot. I like Malta very much, and thinking about everyone around the world. So be strong.